subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Once you have the aloe vera mixture ready, all you need to do is just simply mix it with the hand blender or whatever you have. So just take the ice cubes and rub them all across your face. For about 2 to 3 minutes, and take a break because it might feel really chilled at first, and repeat again. So once you're done with this, simply take a towel and just dab very softly, and that's it. Yeah, and you can apply any normal moisturizer as usual, and you're gonna have extremely beautiful skin. Repeat this process for about twice a week you can, or once a week. There's no harm because aloe vera is a natural plant at the end of the day. And yeah, so at the end of the video, I just want to say thank you all of you for supporting my content. It really means a lot to me. I hope you have learned something valuable today in today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video as usual. Bye bye, take care and look after yourselves, my loves, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos. Until then, take care and love you all. Mwah.